Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the tech gadget is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Smart TUCHSCRN case. Manage your wireless earbuds directly from the built-in touchscreen case. Adjust volume. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Hi-Fi sound and 5 EQ modes. Powerful 13mm drivers deliver deep bass, clear vocals, and crisp highs. Choose from. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. ANC noise cancelling and ENC clear calls. ANC helps reduce distracting background noise for more focused listening. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. According to one shopper who bought it full content visible, double tap to read brief content. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.